Hi there, I'm Marco and I've got a great new product to show you. BL Pro is the new ATEX Zone 22 industrial vacuum in the Depureco range. With less than 1 meter high and only 22 kilograms, it represents our answer for industrial vacuum cleaner needs. At the same time, BL Pro is incredibly powerful and designed respecting the highest safety standards. The greatest performances are ensured by a single-phase 110-220 volt brushless motor head, a 1.5 HP engine generates a maximum vacuum of 230 millibar and a maximum flow rate of 220 cubic meters per hour. It allows to work very fast with all kinds of dusts. Filtration performance is a must at Depureco industrial vacuums. An antistatic M-class filter guarantees a filtration efficiency of 1 micron. In case of very fine dust, it is possible to install an additional HEPA H14 filter. A vacuum gauge is installed in the front of the vacuum to check the filter status constantly. BL Pro is incredibly easy to handle. 4 pivoting industrial wheels allow you to move the unit in all directions. To work in an industrial environment, you need to be robust and strong. That's why the whole bin frame is made in a sturdy AEZ 304 stainless steel. 2 smart handles allow you to empty the bin very easily. The unit is provided also with an ATEX accessory included in the price. BL Pro Z22, as well as all Depureco industrial vacuums, grants until 3 years warranty. To see this and other amazing product, visit our website.